everyone, my name is Trisha Velcapdan Rosella from grade 5, Bonifacio. Today, I will present a Disney short story for my English performance task. The title of my story is Cinderella. This story is about a kind girl named Cinderella. She lived with her mean stepmother and stepsister who always make her do chores. One night, her fairy godmother helped her go to the royal ball. She wore a beautiful gown and glass slipper. The prince danced with her, but at midnight she had to leave and lose her slipper. The prince searched everywhere, and when he found Cinderella, the slipper fit perfectly. Then they lived happily ever after. Now, let me share with you the elements of this short story. Characters. The characters are Cinderella, her fairy godmother, the prince, her stepmother, and her stepsisters. Setting. The story happens in Cinderella's home and in the royal palace. Plot. Cinderella goes to the ball, meets the prince, loses her slipper, and is found again. Conflict. The problem is her stepmother and stepsister treated her badly, and she almost lost her chance to be happy. Resolution. The prince found her, the slipper fit, and they live happily ever after. And that is the story of Cinderella. The lesson of the story is that kindness and hope can make our dreams come true. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye!